everybody, I'm Kelly Creates and I have a new watercolor lettering line to show you. Let's start out with the workbooks here. There's 3 workbooks. You start by learning with the alphabet workbooks. There's a block alphabet and a script alphabet. The workbooks are similar to my other brush lettering workbooks. You have tracing paper inside and you follow the directional arrows and you can paint right on top of the tracing paper like that. When you learn the alphabets, you're going to go on to the watercolor quotes book, and in here we have words and quotes. So we have some script, we have some block, and then at the back we have the quotes that are 2 or 3 words long that you can practice by following again the directional arrows on the tracing paper. You can paint with the new watercolor inks. There's 3 sets. So this is the warm set with black, with very rich pigments. Over here we have the cool set with the purples and greens and blues. The 3rd set is really fun. It's black, white, and iridescent. So the iridescent ink you can mix with any of the solid colors and get a nice shine. You need a palette to do liquid watercolor. So we actually just take the watercolor, we open it up, and we put a couple drops in. The palette comes with pipettes. You get 3 pipettes, and that's a good way to add some water to dilute the watercolor. You don't need to dilute it, but you can use it at full strength as well. Brushes, we have 2 kinds of brushes. We have the traditional brush, bristle brush in 4 sizes. They're 4 watercolor round brushes. We also have 2 water brushes that are sold in a set of 2 with super fine tips that are really nice for lettering. And we have 2 pre-filled black water brushes with black ink that you can refill with this black ink. Now we go to practicing. We have 2 practice pads. One is this grid paper that you can paint on. So take it out of the pad, put it down. You have your palette, dip your brush in, this brush or the water brush, and you can practice on the grid paper and you have the lines to follow. The other pad is watercolor paper pad. It's a nice bright white and it's thick and heavyweight. The other thing that's exciting in the line are watercolor pencils. So we have a set of 12 pencils. They are water soluble. You need watercolor paper. You can grab any 2 colors, 3 colors, single color. You can scribble them down. It's nothing scary about them. It's just an easy process. And then you will add water, just clear water, with your brush or your water brush, and they blend beautifully and they turn into watercolor. So this can be used for not just lettering, this line. This can be used, these watercolor pencils can be used with stamps, with permanent ink. You can use them with your mixed media, with your art journals. A lot of you will love these watercolor inks for many of your projects.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to give our video a thumbs up and subscribe to Scrap Time videos for all the Creativation 2020 coverage.